Sometimes in our business, we have to issue credits to customers. This happens for a variety of reasons. Before we issue a credit to a customer, let's review the settings. To do this, go to the gear icon and then click Account and Settings. Click Advanced, and then in the Automation section, click to edit. You'll notice the setting called Automatically Apply Credits. This makes sure that whenever you enter a credit, QuickBooks applies that credit against the oldest outstanding invoice. In this example, we're going to disable this setting so we can show you more detail about how to apply a credit against a specific invoice. Click Save, and then click Done. Our customer, Benjamin Young, has called to tell us that he did not receive the number of services indicated on his invoice and would like a credit for one snow removal service for $250. To do this, we're going to create a credit memo and then apply it against an outstanding invoice. To get started, click New, and then under Customers, click Credit Memo. The credit memo looks just like an invoice. Start by entering the customer's name and then entering the date for the credit memo. Then we know that we're going to use the service one-time snow removal, and QuickBooks automatically adds the quantity of one, which we're going to keep, and the rate is $250. It's always important to make sure that you add sales tax. This will ensure that the sales tax tracking is accurate. That's all that's required to enter your credit memo. That's step number 1. To complete this, I'll click Save and Close. Step number 2 is that we need to create a receive payment so we can apply the credit against an outstanding invoice. Let's suppose that Benjamin Young has paid us in full minus our credit. We'll go to the New menu. Then under Customers, click Receive Payment. Start by entering the customer's name. After entering their name, you'll immediately notice that QuickBooks now displays all of their outstanding transactions as well as the credit. For the purposes of this example, we'll just apply the credit, and QuickBooks has done that for us. It has selected the credit memo 1018 and applied it against invoice 1017. Now we can click Save and Close to apply that credit. We could also add a payment at this time, but our customer wants to see an updated statement after the credit has been applied. So to complete this credit, click the drop-down menu and then choose Save and Close. There are always 2 steps to creating and applying a credit memo: creating the credit memo and then going to Receive Payment to apply the credit memo.